adorable.
She is so adorable.
But isn't that fast that she has her?
Alex, what about when she cries? Is she still adorable?
Yeah.
What other things does she do that's adorable?
Oh, when she thinks in that little area, it's so like I think it's this like thing when it's just like when you're just a picture.
Yeah, I know. Do you remember when she was at your dance class?
Oh yeah, it was so like adorable and cute.
It was.
So she's so cute.
She is so
And
cute.
think I can like just move back with her. She's like so strong, but she's so adorable.
Yeah, she is so adorable, huh?
I picked this one.
Oh, you want to read that book now? Okay.